Back to product zone. Today we're gonna unbox and check out the DEERFAMY weed puller. Listen, a weed puller is a really good tool, really good gadget you could use at home. You can see it could go from different height. It's all screw on. You don't need any battery. You don't need any electric or anything. Made really well. Steel right here. Beautiful. Look at the logo. It's really nice right here. I like that. Always remember here on Product Zone, any product that you guys are interested in or you want to read up more or know the price, check in the description box below. This is a heavy duty quality. Look at the clamps. I'm going to show you how we're going to pull out some weed, but all we have to do is just screw this thing together. So notice how you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different height that you could screw it on. Have no back pain. All you do is stick it down, press it in your feet, and then tilt it over. I'm going to show you right now. You could pull out a lot of big grass from your lawn to walkway to driveway to garden. Look how beautiful. And it's lightweight but very sturdy. Really good quality overall. Alright, so we come to a friend house right here. We're going to stick it here like that. See that? And then you just press on this like that. And tilt back. Oh man, that was it? Look how easy it was. Done. Pulls out the crabgrass from it root. If you have any extra dirt, I just tell you guys, so just pour that back in there. It doesn't pull out that much dirt, but look at it. The crabgrass came out here. Any chemical you put, they only kill the top of the crabgrass. They don't kill the roots. So this is pretty good. I love this. I'm just having fun here. This yard here is a lot, and just pulling out crabgrass like there's no tomorrow. Save a lot of money from this right here. Need no landscape or anything like that. Just put it in the middle right there. Step. Look at an easy effort. The whole crabgrass. You don't. Some people have to use screwdriver and then you have to use all that stuff. You don't need all that. With this, you pull out all these crabgrass. Listen, don't forget, check in the description box below and get your hand on a tool that worth it. It's not expensive, but the quality is outstanding. It's a really heavy duty quality. It's not no cheap plastic. It's not nothing like that. This will last you for a long time once you take care of your tool. Really good product overall here.